Hi, we're Archie Fisher, family and friends, working for the BBC in case yous didn't ken. We're there on your radio, treating yous like fools. We pay ourselves the royalties and just rerun the spools. My sister's the president of the TMSA. My neighbour's got his offices in California. And my other sister and her husband had folk record of the year. And now I'm gonna play it on my show for yous ought to hear. I die, rebop and die. Die, die, rip up and die, dilly die, dee die do. Hi, we're Archie Fisher, family and friends, working for the festivals in case you didn't ken. My other neighbour's the director of the Music in Scotland Trust. You better know me rolling joints or else he'll get you bustin'. Aye, it's true, I taught guitar at Temple Hall skill. Knew I wouldn't shit in the place cause they're all on the dole. I've got a big house in the country, I gone out riding on my horse. And everything's fantastic except for Duncan, because I would really like to shoot him in his bed. But maybe I'll just play for you his crap cassette instead.